Hi everyone. Today I'm going to looking for some food from the in the nature. So let's go together. I will take you go to see the beautiful nature and some food. Okay, let's go together.
Being a weapon of mass destruction and COVID being no worse than the flu and fake, we had that stuff propagate over here pretty quickly. And so we had this incident where a number of 5G cell phone towers were set alight.
Do you see here? This one I need this one to cook for my lunch or and my dinner. Yes. I don't know how to cook in this one in English, but I wanted to tell you. I wanted to want you know that more people like to eat this after they doesn't have anything to eat. Looking for any more, any place. This English doesn't have more, have a less. Yes. Now I already see two to four. You look here. This one. Almost the more people in the mountain or in the countryside like to eat this one. They look like they would like to looking for the food from the nature, and they they growing the vegetable by themselves. They doesn't like to buy the vegetable from the market for a market, but they like to looking for from the nature and growing 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 some vegetable to eat. It's easy to looking for something to eat usually in the countryside. Now I have three. Now I have three, but I want any more. So now I have finished my looking for my food. So I have to get. I want to this pour this pear out. I have to pour this out before I get to cook. Before I take this one, I cut this and I take I pour like this. how to cook this one, this in English. If you know, could you tell me? Could you tell me how to cook this in English? After I pour like this, so beautiful and very delicious after finish cooking. Yes, now I'm already finished my food. After I pour already, I had to get this to cook in house. Okay, thank you.